Hello, in this video I want to show you how to invite friends or add friends in Call of Duty Mobile. To do this, you'll need to click on the button next to the settings, so it's this one right here. You'll enter the social tab, and now if you want to add a friend and they don't have the Call of Duty account yet, click on invite and send them the invite to receive any benefits from them playing it. Also, if you want to just invite friends from because they already installed the game, go to social friends, select the invite friends button. Here you can use different social media or apps to invite them. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.